Now we will discuss applications of estimation of lipids. जाहिर है इसकी कहाँ इस lipids की estimation lipids की applications हैं. These can be used in pharmaceuticals. We all know that use of lipid-based formulation techniques, they are very important in these days. And lipid-based colloidal drug delivery system, including liposomes, lipid nanoparticles, and microemulsions, and self-emulsifying drugs, they are different types of examples which can be used in pharmaceuticals. These are also used in cosmetics. Solid lipid nanoparticles and nano-structured lipid carriers, they are important for cosmetic applications as compared with other types of substances. They are also important in nutrition and health. We all know that most of the fats found in the food, they are in the form of triglycerides, cholesterol, and phospholipids. And these are important for human beings and other animals because certain fatty acids, essential fatty acids, they are an important part of their metabolism. If they are not taken along with food, different diseases may result. So that's why they're important. At the same time, total dietary fat intake is linked to an increased risk of obesity, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and other diseases. जाहिर है उस हवाले से हमें देखना होता है कि जो बैलेंस्ड डाइट होती है वो ली जाए so that we don't have too much fats or at the same time we don't have too less fats in the food. So it is important to develop low fat alternatives and there should be awareness of foods containing good fat versus bad fats. Then endocrinology, we all know that different types of hormones like steroids, like others, they are chemically, they are formed of lipids. So endocrine disorders, including steroid hormones and others, they are investigated in health. So that's why they're important. And it is possible to manipulate endocrine disorders of varying nature in different ways, not only in human beings, but also in other animals. These lipids, they are also involved in metabolism of animals and human beings. Recent advances in research involve study of oxidative stress and its effects as a result of disturbance in the levels of circulating lipids and knowing their basis in various metabolic pathways. We all know that these lipids, they may be oxidized, and these oxidized lipids, they may be harmful in various ways. So that's why we should take care in these aspects. It is important to accurately determine total fat content for a number of other reasons. Why? There may be economic reasons. We know that we should not take expensive lipids when there are chances for less expensive or cheap sources available. So there should be economic reasons we should take into account. Legal reasons, standards, and nutritional labeling laws, they must be followed so that we have, quality and health issues in mind. जो भी उसके लीगल इश्यूज होते हैं, लीगल रीजंस होती हैं, उनको हमें ध्यान में रखना होता है. Otherwise, there may be problems. Then, quality reasons, food properties, of course, depend on the total lipid content, as it is important, we have discussed, to maintain good health when we take bad lipids versus good lipids, or so on. And we already know that lipid profile of a person is very important in determining the overall health condition of the particular person.